Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2017 Harley-Davidson CVO Electric Glide Ultra Limited with 1,048 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and electronic locking luggage. The Electric Glide is the benchmark of the touring class, and the CVO variant takes things in a factory custom direction with a limited production paint set and artistic details, separating itself from the standard Electric Glide models. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electric Glide puts 118 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 908 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.